This time it is the SCultures Roronoa Zoro by Banpresto. Let's have a look at the box. The front, the side, the back, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Let's get it open. Let's have a look at the instruction manual. Getting the leg up. Alright, look easy enough. Let me try it. The leg, get this in. Have to use some force. The other leg. Okay. And the flap, there's two. A long one and a shorter one. The shorter one is go on the under here. There's a pad, very well hidden. Just align it. The other one goes here. Okay. And let's get the body up. Whoa, it's already looking good. Swords. There's two swords, a silver and a black one, and a black one. The silver and the black one have to go in first, with the blade facing outward onto the lower arm. All the way in. All the way in. Okay. Same goes for this sword. It's kind of loose. Just let me make sure it's going tight enough. Okay. Okay. The base is kind of tricky. You have to rest the leg, the right leg. Okay, there it is. Fantastic looking. Fantastic looking. The sculpt is really very good. The details on the clothes and the muscle. But the one I love the most is the sword. It looks like a real sword. It's very good. Wow, it's very good. Too bad it can't stand without a base. That's it, folks. Roronoa Zoro.